All right, let's dive into one of the most fascinating and vital systems in the human body, the respiratory system. It's something we use every second of every day, yet most of us rarely stop to think about how it actually works. Today, we're going to peel back the layers and explore the incredible journey that each breath takes, from the moment air enters your body to the instant it fuels your cells. Whether you're prepping for your next anatomy exam, curious about how we pull off the simple act of breathing, or just want to appreciate your body a little more, I'm here to make sure you get the basics down, and maybe even have a little fun along the way. Breathing is so automatic that we often take it for granted, but once you understand what's happening behind the scenes, you'll never look at a simple breath the same way again. Let's start right at the entrance, the nose and mouth. These are the gateways to your respiratory system, and they play a bigger role than you might think. Think of these as the front doors to your respiratory tract, welcoming in every breath you take, whether you're running a marathon or just relaxing on the couch. As air comes in, it's filtered by tiny hairs called cilia and sticky mucus, which trap dust, pollen, and even germs. The air is also warmed and humidified, making it easier for your lungs to handle. This all happens before the air even leaves your throat, setting the stage for safe and efficient breathing. From there, the air takes a quick detour past the epiglottis, basically your throat's bouncer, making sure food and drink don't go where they shouldn't before tumbling down the larynx or voice box. The larynx isn't just for talking. It also helps protect your airway and plays a key role in making sure each breath goes smoothly. Next stop, the trachea, your windpipe. This sturdy tube is the main highway for air traveling to and from your lungs. The trachea isn't just a boring tube, it's reinforced with C-shaped cartilage rings. These rings keep it open at all times, so every breath you take can flow freely, even when you're lying down or moving around. Without these rings, your airway could collapse, making breathing nearly impossible. At the bottom, the trachea splits like a tree trunk into two big branches, the bronchi, one for each lung. This branching is what allows air to reach every corner of your lungs. These bronchi branch out again and again, getting smaller and smaller, forming a complex network that looks a lot like the branches of a tree. Eventually, they end in tiny air sacs called alveoli, which are the true stars of the show. Here's where the magic really happens. The alveoli are where oxygen and carbon dioxide swap places, keeping your blood fresh and your body energized. Each lung houses millions of alveoli. Imagine tiny clusters of grapes, each one providing a huge surface area for gas exchange. If you could spread them all out, they'd cover the area of a tennis court. These alveoli are wrapped in delicate capillaries, and this is where oxygen jumps into your blood, while carbon dioxide hops out, ready to be exhaled. This exchange is what keeps every cell in your body alive and functioning. This gas exchange is lightning fast and super efficient, thanks to the thin alveolar walls and the close contact with blood vessels. It's a marvel of biological engineering, happening thousands of times every minute. But wait, how do you actually pull air in and push it out? It's not just your lungs doing the work. There's a powerful muscle at play. That's where the diaphragm comes in. It's this dome-shaped muscle sitting right under your lungs. And when it contracts, it flattens out, creating a vacuum that sucks air in. When you exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and moves back up, pushing air out of your lungs. It's a simple motion, but it's absolutely essential for life. Relax it, and the air flows out. Simple, but genius. This rhythmic movement is what keeps your body supplied with fresh oxygen and clears out waste gases. Here's the kicker. Your brainstem, specifically the medulla oblongata, is constantly monitoring carbon dioxide levels in your blood and quietly telling your body when to breathe. It's like having an automatic pilot for your lungs, adjusting your breathing rate whether you're sleeping, exercising, or just sitting still. You don't even have to think about it. Your body takes care of all the details so you can focus on living your life. So next time you take a breath, remember, there's a whole orchestra of structures and processes working in perfect harmony to keep you alive and kicking. Every inhale and exhale is a testament to the complexity and brilliance of your body. That's the wonder of the respiratory system. Simple in action, but absolutely brilliant in design. Take a moment to appreciate your lungs and all the hardworking parts that make breathing possible. After all, every breath is a small miracle happening right inside you.